Welcome back to Gourmet Leftovers. Today we're going to be making a stuffed pork loin. So this is a great way to make a really delicious meal out of a relatively inexpensive cut of meat. So I'm going to take a little bit of the pork loin and then I'm just going to fillet it out, unrolling it until I've got basically a big rectangle. And we're going to mix up a little bit of stuffing. I had an old package of cranberry apple and chestnut stuffing from last Christmas, and to that I mixed in a little bit of Italian sausage. After seasoning our pork loin, I'm just going to rub that all in. And then we're going to wrap it all up with baker's twine. Put it fat side up, pierce the fat, and season. Now it works best if you let that rest in the refrigerator overnight, but you can do it right away into the oven if you like. So this is the next day. Throw a little bit of water in the baking dish and cover it with tin foil. Letting it sit overnight tends to help it stay together better after it's cooked. And we're going to bake that at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until it reaches at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to want to let that rest for a couple of minutes before taking off the twine and carving it up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Why don't you check out some of these other great recipes, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, and happy cooking!